Starting with the third question, the first one, 7 upon 3 divided by 2. So 2 can be written as 2 upon 1. Now multiplication sign, division sign changes to multiplication. So 7 upon 3 into, this becomes its reciprocal, that is 1 upon 2. Now we multiply, 7 ones are 7 and this is 6. So it comes out to be 1 and 1 by 6. Similarly, 4 by 9 can divided by 5 upon 1. Now 4 by 9, this becomes ulta. 4 ones are 4, 9 fives are 45. So answer is 4 upon 45. Starting with the third and fourth now. 6 upon 13 divided by 7 upon 1. 6 upon 13, division sign becomes multiplication and this becomes 1 upon 7. Now you will write the answers. Okay, this is your homework. This is simple multiplication. I expect that you will do it. Now this we convert. 4 into 3 plus 1 upon 3 divided by 3 upon 1. 4 3s are 12 plus 1 13. 13 upon 3, this becomes ulta. So it becomes 13 ones are 13. 13 by 9. You will convert it into a mixed number. Starting with the fifth and sixth problem, converting it into an improper fraction. Three twos are 6, 7. This becomes multiplication sign and iska reciprocal. So 7 ones are 7 and 2 fours are 8, which gives you, sorry, it's a proper fraction, so you cannot convert it into mixed. So this is your answer. Then 4 into 7 plus 3 whole by 7 divided by 7 upon 1. 4 sevens are 28, 29, 30, 31. 31 upon 7. This becomes multiplication, 1 upon 7. 31 ones are 31, 7 sevens are 49. This is your answer. This completes question number 5 and 6th of the second question. Starting with the question number 4, which again we will do in copy. We have to find, again means that we have to divide the two fractions. So we know how do we divide the two fractions. We convert the division sign into multiplication and the second fraction, that is the divisor, we write its reciprocal. उसका उल्टा कर देते हैं. So 2 by 5 multiplied by 2 by 1. Now you will write the answer. Okay? Homework. Similarly, 3 and 9 will get cancelled and 2 and 4 will get cancelled. So 2 ones are and 3. This is your answer. 3 ones are 3, 2 ones are 2. Similarly, 3 by 7 into 7 by 8. So answer is 3 by 8. This completes the first, second and third of question number 4. Starting with the fourth one, first converting it into mixed. Converting the mixed into improper fractions. So 2 into 3 plus 1 whole by 3 divided by 3 by 5. 2 3s are 6 plus 1 7 upon 3. This becomes into or ये becomes ulta. So 7 5s are 35. 3 3s are 9. Mixed number will be your homework. You have to convert it into mixed number. 3 into 2 plus 1 by 2 divided by 8 by 3. 3 2s are 6. 7. 7 by 2. This becomes into and this becomes ulta. 7 3s are 21. 2 8s are 16. Convert it into mixed number. That is your homework. Starting with the sixth question. First we'll convert it into improper fraction. So 2 by 5 remains 2 by 5. 2 into 1 plus 2 by, 2 into 1 plus 1 by 2. So 2 upon 5 divided by 2 ones are 2, 3. 3 by 2, which gives us 2 upon 5. Division becomes multiplication. This becomes ulta. 2 2s are 4 and 5 3s are 15. Your homework. It is a proper fraction. So 3 into 5 plus 1 whole by 5 divided by 1 into 3 plus 2 whole by 3. 3 5s are 15. 16. 16 by 5 divided by 3 ones are 3, 4, 5. 5 by 3. इसको उल्टा कर देंगे. 16 by 5 into 3 by 5. You will be writing the answer. It will be a proper fraction, so you don't have to convert it into a mixed number. Now, the last question of question number 4. We converted into an improper fraction. So 2 into 5 plus 1 whole by 5 divided by 1 into 5 plus 1 whole by 5. 2 5s are 10, 11. 11 upon 5 divided by 1s are 5, 6. 6 upon 5. Now we convert the division by multiplication provided by the reciprocal of the second fraction, that is the divisor. Now 5 and 5 will get cancelled. So 11 by 6, which you will convert into a mixed number. That is your homework.